Have you ever felt that life has suddenly become blurry? Like a thick mist has swallowed the path you were so sure of. Even for Aris, the sparrow who had just found his wings again. The sky can sometimes hide its secrets. The fog is a master of deception. It whispers that the path is gone. Aris felt the old fear, creeping back the earth, to return to the solid ground, where things are certain, but to go back is to lose the sky. The struggle is not with the weather, but with the doubt that rises within. Wisdom tells us that when the eyes are useless, the heart must lead. To find your way, you must stop fighting the fog and start listening to your inner compass. Aris realized the mist does not change the forest, it only tests the traveler's fate. Seek not the horizon, seek only the next branch. As the sun rises, the field begins to live. Aris did not wait for the sky to clear to start his journey. He moved, and in his moving, the light found him. He found that the air is just a form, whether we see it or not. The world has not changed, but Aris has. The mist is temporary, but a constant heart is eternal. Keep flying. I'm Aris, and this is the Winged Wisdom.